there's a hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm sure you know this hadith really well. ينزل ربنا إلى السماء الدنيا حين يبقى ثلث الليل الآخر يقول من يدعوني فأستجيب له من يسألني فأعطيه من يستغفرني فأغفر له. So you know this hadith that Allah Azza wa Jal descends onto the sky that we see from our naked eyes. Allah Azza wa Jal descends onto this sky every night in the last one third of the night. Now, the point I'm trying to make here through this particular hadith is that there is this alim, so-called alim, who says that look at this now, look at the kind of misinformation, look at the kind of uh, you know uh, uh, facade, if you want to call that so, uh, mischief, if you want to give it the name, that these people are unfortunately making in the name of spreading the religion of Allah Azza wa Jal. When they say that, when we say yanzilu rabbuna, they say it that when the hadith says that Allah Azza wa Jal descends, comes down onto the first sky, the sky that we see, they say that the people, the ulama, have a difference of opinion. And what this gentleman continues to add is that he says there is a difference of opinion between the people of Ahlus Sunnah, amongst the very people of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Whereas the people of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah categorically say that we know, like we say, like we talked about it in the past as well, that al istiwa ma'lum wal kayf majhul wal imanu bihi wajib was su'alu anhu bid'ah. Likewise, you can here say that an nuzul ma'lum wal kayf majhul, instead of saying this. And this is what the stance of all the righteous predecessors is, and this is what the stance of the people of as-sunnah wal jama'ah is. The ahlus sunnah wal jama'ah, I mean, all of them say that we believe that Allah Azza wa Jal does descend every single night. However, we're not quite sure, we don't know, because Allah Azza wa Jal hasn't mentioned as to how he descends. Therefore, was-su'alu anhu bid'ah. Asking questions about how Allah Azza wa Jal descends is actually a kind of innovation, and it is prohibited for us to even question about how Allah Azza wa Jal, descends. So here, this alim is saying that the people of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah have a difference in opinion about how Allah Azza wa Jal descends. Whereas what I am saying is the people of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, right from the time immemorial, right from the times of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or should I say, right from the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm sorry. So right from that time onwards, this Jama'ah called Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah have maintained that stance. And there is no difference in opinion, or there is no difference in opinion between the people of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Yes, Ahlul Mubtadi'ah, the people of innovation, may want to come up with various, ideas about how Allah Azza wa Jal descends. So then you can say that there is a difference of opinion between the people of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah and that of Ahlul Bid'ah. But here, this alim says the difference of opinion is within the very Jama'ah of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah? No. So this is what can happen to us if we don't know enough about Aqidah, if we don't know enough about Allah Azza wa Jal.